Hey guys, what's up? This is PipSnipers back for another update for XRP. Okay, so let's take a look at XRP. So over here on XRP, let's place some waves on this, and we could just call this an A, B, and RC. Now, we can see that if we can see where the C leg got hit, and it got hit right here at this 1.618. Now, usually when we touch the 1.618, there's mostly always a reversal, or the price always makes some sort of reactionary move, which we saw here with this downturn. Okay, so now if we go on the, or you know what, we could even, okay, so that's the bearish case right there. We can even show you a bull case. So if we go one, so hold on. Okay, so this is the bull case right here. We have our 1, 2, 3, 4, sharp wave 4, okay? And then where do we see our wave 5? Well, we can find out where we can see our wave 5. Okay, so if we go from here to here and down to here, our wave 5 takes us to the inverse of the golden ratio at 60 cents. Okay, 60 to 62 cents. Okay, I would say 60 to 63 cents within that area. Okay, so that's for our bull case right here. That's the target for our bull case. Okay, 0.618. Okay, so that would be our bull case scenario. Now I want to show you guys something crazy on XRP. Okay, now if we go on the 4-hour chart, we can see a bearish Gartley pattern forming. Now this is what a bearish Gartley pattern is. Okay, I'll show you here. We had our X, our A, B, C, and then our D right there. And then usually, if we want to know where our target would be when we break down, if we want to know where this target can be, all we have to do is take a Fibonacci from our A leg up to our D leg, and it usually comes down to the 618, which would be around 35 cents. Okay, now we saw something interesting here on the daily. Let's just remove that so it's easier on your eyes. We saw a bearish doji candle yesterday. So yesterday's candle closed bearish. It was a bearish doji candle is what I call it, or is what it's called. Okay, so we can't forget about this candle right here, and I'll show you what it looks like. This is a bearish doji star. Okay, that's what a bearish doji star is. So a huge uptrend, and then once we get this bearish doji star, we start to see signs of reversal. Now this can be invalidated by the next candle closing above that bearish doji star. Also, I want to show you a little something extra on XRP. So if we go on the daily chart and we pull up these 3 indicators right here, okay? And let's zoom out for a bit. And every time these indicators line up, let me just show you something really, really crazy. So vertical line, okay. I'm going to show you something insane right here that I found on the chart. Okay, so every time these indicators line up, so every time the RAR, or this bottom indicator right here, is oversold, while the multi-length stochastic is red, and the BX trender is below the 0 line, we drop by at least 40%. So I'll show you what I mean here. Vertical line, okay, over there. Over here. one over here, one time over here, one time over here, one time over here. Now guys, I'm not going to plot every, so this is going back for 2 years. So 2 years worth of data, and I played around with it a bit, and it actually goes back 3 or 4 years too. So now I did the calculations and I averaged everything out, and every time these 3 indicators line up, we drop at least 45%. So the multi-length stochastic has to flash red. The BX trender has to be below the 0 line. The 0 line is over here. This is the 0 line right here. Okay, so it has to be below the 0 line, and the RAR, this bottom indicator right here, has to be oversold. So every single time these indicators line up, we drop 45%. And what's it doing right now? It hasn't flashed red yet, but it looks like the BX trender is touching the 0 line, the RAR, this bottom indicator right here, is oversold, and the multi-length stochastic is about to flash red. Okay, you can see that every single time we drop 45%. Okay, now that doesn't go to say that we're going to drop, because nothing is guaranteed. We have to see how the price plays out, because this can be invalidated. But what I see right now, if you want my personal opinion, I think we're going to drop. I think we're going to drop, or I could be wrong, and we could go to this 61 to 63 cent area. Okay, that's it guys for XRP. Take it easy, and I hope you guys